This is Jenny Naslund. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can customize your slides. This will be a two-part video. First, we're going to look at how you add a new slide. To add a new slide, you'll click on the plus button, and a new slide will be inserted wherever your cursor is. If I want it to be inserted after the last slide, I click on it and click the plus button. This here is the undo button. I can undo something if I don't like what I added, or I can redo something if I want to re-add something. Next, we'll be looking at a formatting button. I click on a formatting that I like, that I want to copy to a different page. I like this green text box here. And then I click on the paintbrush, paint formatting. And then when I go to the next page, if I click here, it'll format it the same way as I had on that page that I copied the formatting. So that's the Format Paint button. This here allows me to zoom in if I need to get closer to something. And then I can click on this little button here to zoom back to normal. The arrow here is my select button. This allows me to select. I can select the text box. I can select the movie. And this allows me to drag them, move them. Again, I can grab corners and resize things based on that. Next is the text box button. I'll go to a page, I can add a text box here, delete that one. If I click on the text button, I can draw a text box and I'd be able to type into it. This is how you would add an image. Again, I can search by all these different options to add an image into my presentation. This is how you can add a shape. Again, you have lots of options of shapes you can add. And I would just choose one and drag it in. This next one is how to add a line. I can add lines into my presentation. Other things that I can do, I can change the background color. I could click on it and choose a new background color if I would like to, and that'll change it. I could add it to the theme. I could also choose an image, and that could be added onto my background. And I can also reset it back to what it was through the background button. The layout button, if I click on this, this changes the way the page is, the layout of the page. So probably want to keep my title page the same, but for example, my second page here, I may not want it like this. If I go to my layout button, I can change what the layout is. Maybe I want to have a title and then two text boxes. So that's how I can change my layout. I can also change my theme that I selected originally. I can go in and I can change my theme to a different theme, and I can apply it to my slideshow if I want to change my theme. You'll see, there we go. Then now it's changed to the pink theme. So that's part one of how to customize your slides.